Hey, good morning, guys. This is Jeffrey with Forever I Trade, and we're looking at a live market. We have the Nasdaq, we have the Russell, which we're going to go to micros. And let's see what we're looking at today. I hope you guys are having a good day. It is October 9th, 2023, and we're going to trade what we see. Right now, we have a nice push. Let's go to here. So we have a nice push on the Russell. We got a nice push on the Dow. So let's just see what these markets want to produce, right? I'm going to look at the Dow chart instead. Well, let's keep it on the Russell. Let's see where the Russell is going right now. All right, so it's coming up to the current high. All right, so last time it was here is when it gapped down, right? And look what it did, right? When it opened yesterday and gapped down, stayed in this area for a little while, went up, came back down, swing back up here, and now we are swinging back up. All right, so let's see if it's gonna jump back down or if it's gonna continue making a new high for the day. All right, so let's see. All right, and be patient, guys. Let me know what you guys are looking for. What's your goal? What are you guys doing today? All right, we do one contract here, and let's just see what the game is going to produce. Just be careful. Please have your exit. The market moves pretty fast this early, so don't chase it up here. If you're longing, you could be chasing, right? Because we're at resistance, and it can easily jump down, right? Which I'm actually going to take a short trade. It came halfway down, so I'm going to see if it wants to continue. Okay. All right, we should lose that first trade for the day. Let's keep looking. We'll keep looking to see what else we can find. I actually had to go eat breakfast, guys. This actually was a good one that I just missed it too. So let's see if it's going to reward me again. Even on a Dow, this was a good one. I missed that. So let's see now what we can squeeze out. It's about to be 10 o'clock, so be careful for any news. I don't really trade the news. I just wait and see what happens after it calms down. But let's see what it wants to do. All right, it couldn't swing a little higher, but it could fall too. So we're going to just see how this plays out. All right, a little inside bar. Let's see. I'm actually tempted to go long on this trade, but it's an inside bar, so it's an indecision. Let's see. Yeah, let's go long. Let's see if we can catch some of these highs up here. I'm gonna spike up. I don't know, right? But let's see if I can capture some today. Second trade for the day. Let's see if we can make this one a positive one. Let's see where it wants to go. I wanted to hit these highs up here, hopefully. All right, but let's see. Let's see what it wants to do. Let's see what it's willing to do. Let's see if it's gonna reward me. But let's see. Be patient, guys. Right? Hang on to the trade. I got my stop. I got my profit target. So just hang on to the trade. Let's see what it wants to produce. Oh, that one took me out. So that's my second trade for the day. All right, let's see. We may have a little push here on the micros. Well, let's see what we're working with. Let's be patient. See what the reward wants to be. And we're looking at the micro Russell, the big bear bar here, but not quite down on the 50 moving average yet. So this could be the second run up. So let's see if we can make that happen. I'm curious, but we got a minute, right? So let's see what it wants to give us. Man, we got about 20 seconds left on this candlestick, and I'm waiting for some type of move. So we're just gonna be patient. It's not giving us really what we want right now. So let's just hang tight, and let's see what the reward is gonna be. Okay, let's see if it's gonna still hang around this 50 and come back up above the 20, or if it's gonna just sink down and float down in this direction. So let's just see what we have now. right now we're just gonna be patient and wait. Made an inside bar, so let's put that inside here. Still one big red bar, but for me, I just think it has to shoot back above this 20 for me to give it a shot. Right down here was more like the support in this little area here. So let's see. I'm okay kind of running with that trade, and let's see if it wants to reward us to the upside. Stop is pretty much right here, right? So let's see if it wants to continue going up or if it wants to play to the downside. Either way, I mean, just look forward. This is the last trade. You know, if we're gonna look at it this way, this is definitely the last trade for trading live. So let's see what we can squeeze out the deal. Honestly, I would love to touch these highs up here, but let's see. All right, got about 17 seconds left. Like it's closing above the 20, which is actually what I want, which is the red line. But let's see what it wants to do in about 5 seconds. There we go. All right, let's see if we can get a push back up. Kind of hard to tell, right? So let's work on this first target. Still have my stop here. So I want to see if it's gonna just shoot back up. Let's see what it wants to do. Never know sometimes, right? Like it's giving a little downward action. Broke above this little trend line here. So I'm expecting a jump. I mean, I want to get, they want to get break even here. So let's just see how this is going to play out. Yeah, let's see how it's going to play out. Game of patience. Either way, I'm break even, maybe a little something, but yeah, let's just see what's gonna happen in about 30 seconds. Hopefully, it just skyrockets up. But you know, we play the game. You enter the trade, and you enter with risk, right? But know that you possibly could lose. All right. So there we go. All right. So that's my third trade, guys, and we got the trade right. Right, it didn't go against us. Maybe I should have kept my stop down here. It's probably gonna maybe pull up, maybe, right? Because the MACD line is below the signal line, so it is above the 20 now. But look at this. You know, it could pop above this. You never know. But right now, yeah, we're looking. You know, it depends. Maybe pretty rangy. I did say one last trade, but I'm kind of falling in love with this trade. I am. Why? It's about the 20, small red bar. I would love for this green bar to destroy it. And then we can kind of run up to the upside. Let's get rid of this ugly little line. So let's see if it's going to continue up or if it wants to continue down. Get to a certain level, I'm going to definitely put myself in break even. But honestly, guys, I just broke my rule. I said 3 trades. I'm in my 4th trade. And, you know, I saw an opportunity and I took it. And sometimes if you see the opportunity and you don't take it, you know, you end up kind of crushing your confidence. So whether this trade takes me out or not, I probably shouldn't have been in the trade anyway, right? So if I made the money, great. Who cares about that part? I mean, I care. But what I do care about is a pattern working out, the setup working out, right? And like I saw something in that setup that caused me to enter that trade one more time, and I did see that. It traded above the 20, small red bar, and I think that we're looking to hopefully take some of these highs out, and we can look to go just up, maybe. Right? We don't know. But we're gonna either way. We're gonna stay in the trade. We're not gonna get out until hopefully hits our target. Um, but just be careful, right? You know how the game goes, right? You can lose, you can win. You definitely want to win, right? No losses, just learn, right? So take the L's. You got to learn, right? Don't look at it as a loss. Look at it as a L, like a learning tool, right? That you know what, shouldn't have gotten right there. Oh, you know what, should have stayed in, right? So let's see who's gonna take out some of these highs, or if it wants to just shoot back down off of this high. But let's give it a shot. Kind of want to keep myself in profit. But yeah, I wanted to hit this area here. I would love that if it just bounces above here, and then maybe honestly it may keep going. Right, it's nothing above. You got the previous close. You got the previous high, previous close. You got the previous high. So I'm talking as if it's nothing up there, but it is. It's a lot of activity up in this area here, right? Long way from here, right? But we have this area here that could be a strong resistance as well, right? This was the previous close. It came up, jammed down. Now we're hoping that it can jam back up and give us some love. I would love for it to come up here, and that'd be a beautiful thing. But we got about 14 seconds to see if that's actually going to happen, or to see what direction it really wants to jump in. All right, it broke this little high here. We'll put myself more under this candlestick here and see if it wants to continue up. Created another high. It didn't break this low. Let's see. I think I'm gonna go ahead and take that. You gotta respect the levels, right? This is a minor level, but it can definitely mean something, right? It could definitely mean something if you play it right. And it's slow. The Russell moves slow, right? So this could be a short. And if you want to try it in sim, guys, do it in sim. Flex in live trading. Do it in sim if you want to practice it, right? Came up. This bar didn't cross it totally. We're still in the uptrend, right? So you're kind of trending in a way, but you have a small resistance here, and you want to see if it's gonna take you down. I mean, honestly, let's bring this stop right there. Let's not let it destroy it. These are micros, right? So any $2-3, it's a good thing. All right, look at that. I could have stayed in, guys. Right? So another L, right? And I knew I should have, but I did way more trades than I was supposed to. So I'm not going to live off that right now. But yeah, good job, guys. All right, so this fair value trade, man. Let's hope you learned something. Like, comment, come back tomorrow. We're gonna post another one. We're posting this as soon as I, download it, right? So it will be a fresh video right after the market open, and we'll try this again tomorrow. All right, guys. Again, fair value trade. This is Jeffrey, guys. Like, subscribe. See you guys soon.